So my Temu desk is starting to take shape. I think it was like $62. Takes a little bit of work to follow and assemble, but I mean the sale price was like Black Friday. I'm very happy with it. This desk over here was $99 by the time I took all the incentives. And so now I'll have more workspace to set up the printers and stuff. That was the intention. And this has a nice compartment where I can keep filaments and such. So I'm going to go ahead, and it has a lift up. This thing lifts up. So I'm getting ready to put that on. Then I'll make a video of all this. Just thought I'd wing it. It's got 2 drawers on the other side I need to put together. But overall, we're doing well, man. Now, if only I could beat this latest strep throat. Not one thing, it's another.